The US Senate passed a landmark bill on Tuesday protecting same-sex marriages and interracial marriages. Lawmakers from both the parties moved to forestall the possibility of the conservative-led Supreme Court taking away this right, as it did with abortion. The final vote was 61-36. The bill was supported by all the members of the Democratic Caucus and 12 Republicans, the same dozen GOP members who backed the bill for a procedural vote earlier this month. After the landmark bill was passed, President Joe Biden said in a statement, "With today's bipartisan Senate passage of the Respect for Marriage Act, the United States is on the brink of reaffirming a fundamental truth. Love is love, and Americans should have the right to marry the person they love." The bill will now be sent back to the House of the Representatives, which has to approve it and send it for Biden's signature, all of which is expected to move swiftly. While the bill would not set a national requirement that all the states must legalize same-sex marriages, it would require the individual states to recognize another state's legal marriage. Today, the long but inexorable march towards greater equality advances forward, Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer said in a statement. By passing this bill, the Senate is sending a message that every American needs to hear. No matter who you are or who you love, you too deserve dignity and equal treatment under the law, he added. In the United States, same-sex unions have been guaranteed by the Supreme Court since 2015, but after the court's historic overturning of a long-standing ruling protecting the right to abortion in June, many progressives feared that same-sex marriage may also be under threat. So with the passing of this bill, if the Supreme Court were to overturn the 2015 ruling that legalized same-sex marriages, a state that bans them will still have to recognize such unions carried out in other states. The bill also applies to interracial marriages. Democrats have worked with urgency to get the bill passed while they still control the Congress. The powerful American Civil Liberties Union hailed the historic step forward but denounced the rise of laws attacking the right of transgender people in several states. About 568,000 married same-sex couples live in the United States, according to the US Census Bureau, and this bill is definitely a welcome move.